Despite the celebration of country's 126th Independence Day, authorities continued their search operation today, June 12, at the Lucky South 99 compound in Porac, Pampanga. Among the items they found today were military badges, GPS trackers, several sets of military uniforms, a 9mm pistol, ammunition, combat boots, belts, computers, cell phones, and SIM cards. Some of the buttons had PLA written on them, while others had Chinese Armed Police Force. There were also emergency tags or dog tags on some of the military uniforms that had Chinese characters and even indicated blood types. It is possible that these items are being used as props, or they could belong to a wool, retired, decommissioned, or possibly active personnel. According to the PAOK, they are having the uniforms verified by the Chinese Embassy.
Tirahan ng mga nagtatrabaho rito eh. Tulugan talaga to. May mga uniforme talaga, tapos may mga pang-officer pa, di ba? Pero hindi natin ulitin ko ano pa yan, ipapa-investiga pa natin. At hindi pa natin alam kung ito ba talaga katotohanan na ginagamit o binili lang kung saan o ginagamit lang sa cosplay o whatever. But we are not ruling na ginagamit na ito agad dito. Okay?
Meanwhile, the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission has identified some of the suspects at Lucky South 99 in Porac, Pampanga. According to the PAOK, 15 individuals are set to be charged with human trafficking and possible violations of the cybercrime law. Most of the suspects are foreign nationals, but there are also a few Filipinos who will be included in the complaints.
Combination po ito eh. May mga Pilipinos, but mas marami po yung mga foreign nationals. And some of them, when we check, parang dummy. Mga dummy po.
And the roles are?
Sa SEC po, President, Vice President, Treasurer, the normal thing na nakikita niyo po sa mga registration.
2 of them are bosses and 3 are fugitives from other countries. Among those considered as bosses is Wu Lifeng, the Chinese national who was arrested around Lucky South 99 last Saturday. Upon investigation by the authorities, he has a case involving a violent crime in China. His cell phone is also undergoing forensic examination to strengthen the evidence against him. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.